What to do in an air raid.
When you hear the siren, don't just stand there looking at the sky. Move slowly and calmly to your shelter or public shelter.
If people are near your house, invite them in. Make sure you stay away from any windows.
If you don't have a shelter, hide under your tables. Move slowly and calmly to your Anderson shelter.
If you're out in the field, lay down and cover your head.
And most importantly, don't stand there staring at the sky.